One of the worst floods to hit India in many years spreads over a 5,000 square mile area. 4 million people are immediately affected, and the ultimate toll is a terrible one. In a land where bare subsistence is a struggle for millions, over 50% of the crops have been ruined in a vast area, and the threat of famine is grave. Losses to precious livestock have likewise been heavy. A people long inured to suffering and poverty suffer a heavy blow from the elements. The nation plans a long-range flood control project, but that is in the future. The present is a time of bitterness and sorrow.